Hi everyone, Stephen here from the Flyby Guys. Good to see you all again. It's been a while since our last video because I've been really busy, as always, travelling and doing drone operations and whatnot. Finally got some downtime and I'm here in Finland just having some Christmas holiday. It's Christmas Eve and I'm going for a walk down this frozen lake. So there's a lake here which is completely frozen and I'm going to go walking. I've got myself an Air 2S. For the first time I'm going to fly this Air 2S. I got it from Anarchy Labs. No thank you. So they haven't used it yet, so I borrowed it from them and I'm going to fly it here because I wanted to get something with a 1-inch sensor, capture this incredible scenery that I've got here. This lake is about 5 kilometers in length and it's completely frozen. It's absolutely beautiful, it really is. So I'm here going out for a walk and I'm going to capture some nice footage here and I hope you like it. Hope you all have a good holiday, a nice Christmas, good New Year. We'll be back in 2022 with strength. We've got lots of things going on, as always, and we'll see you then. So until then, enjoy this footage of this amazing landscape. And as always, fly safe.